Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to unhide sheets in Excel. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Excel, which of course I have done right here. Now where exactly can you find Excel? You can find Excel in the Microsoft Store because it's a product of Microsoft Store. Launch the Microsoft Store and search for Excel, and once you click on that, follow through the on-screen prompts to install it into your PC. After following through with the prompts, it's going to take you right into this fantastic window or this home page where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Excel. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to unhide sheets in Excel. So let's say a sheet has been hidden and you want to unhide it. I'm going to show you what to do. First, I'm going to show you how to hide the sheet and of course how to unhide the sheet as well. So we have sheet 1 here and we have sheet 3. So if I want to hide sheet 3, I'm just going to click on the sheet and right click. So after right clicking, I have the options which include insert, delete, rename, move a copy, and I have view code, protect sheet, tab color, hide, unhide, and select all sheet. So I'm going to click on hide. And you see that the sheet has been hidden. So if I want to unhide that sheet, all I'm going to do is to right click, and I have this sheet, and it's like sheet 1 over here. So I'm going to click on this sheet that's right here in sheet 1, and I'm going to right click again, and I have these options: insert, delete, rename, move a copy, view code, protect sheet, tab color, and hide, unhide. So select unhide, and you see sheet 3 which was hidden. So go ahead and click on OK, and sheet 3 has been, you see, you have been able to successfully unhide sheet 3 this way. So that's pretty much how you can unhide sheets in Excel. Now I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.